Peace be upon you. My name is Dr. Ahmed Samir. I am a lecturer in the Department of Medicine at Ain Shams and the director of the e-learning center and life. I just wanted to give this testimonial about the virtual labs, especially the PraxiLabs, because this is actually our second year doing this. This is now our second year of trying it out in the infection module with our first year medical students, because it is a core part of our integrated curriculum. The students learn the steps of gram staining in the microbiology department. So honestly, it was truly amazing. The experience, to be more precise, the students, when we mentioned it during orientation, were amazed by something like this, and that they have a game-based simulation where they can go inside and practice the steps thoroughly and in great detail. And honestly, that's really great. Even the part about closing and opening the lid, this part also gives, yes, a very important insight, honestly, into the type of student. And then transferring this simulation into real skills, that really makes a big difference. Yes, of course, the fact that the student can enter once, twice, 3, or even 4 times and practice really well until they become perfect at it, that's important, so that when they go to the real lab, they can turn that knowledge into real skills. Of course, this saves a lot of wasted resources, saves a lot of time, and improves things. Knowledge and or knowledge retention, to be more precise. So in reality, this is truly wonderful. The whole Express experience is honestly amazing. And of course, as for the doctors or professors, they are, of course, very happy with something like this, because the student already has very good practice in the virtual platform. Then he comes and in the lab, he already knows. Of course, this is it. Yes, it makes things much easier, saves a lot, and also provides standardized learning. So honestly, this is really something, truly, thank you very much for that. Honestly, another advantage is that, thankfully, whenever we need anything from you, you never delay at all. Honestly, in everything from the support to step-by-step, the whole process for the sake of the implementation itself. So honestly, that's something we're really, really grateful to you for. Even when it comes to customization, a lot of things are tailored according to our situation. So it's not just a system where, like, here you go, do your work now. No, on the contrary, you actually customize and honestly help a lot with customer support. And that's one of the most important and major successes of the platform. Especially, for example, when we need a report for the students, after the students finish, this report comes out and we need it in a specific way, in a certain format that showcases particular things with a huge number of students. And of course, that's definitely not an easy thing at all. So honestly, the customer support team was amazing, truly amazing. Thank you so much, because in a very short time, we literally got the report on the same day, as I recall, and exactly in the way we wanted it. So it's really something very reliable. And honestly, it's really something that, and the great thing is that there are always a lot of updates, whether it's a new experience, changes to the experience, updates to the platform itself, or improved accessibility and so on, which was already very good to begin with. Honestly, it's something truly perfect, to the extent that we've created an entire course in virtual, covering all the virtual experiences that will benefit the students. It doesn't have to be part of the curriculum, but at least they can go in and practice on their own. We've actually made a how-to guide for the students, showing them how they can access it. The students really do go in by themselves and practice these available experiences on their own. So honestly, I really want to thank you all very much. And I am especially grateful for the technical support and all the forms of innovation I see, as well as the continuous development in something like this. So it's truly perfect. Thank you all so very much, truly. And God willing, in the future, there will be even more success for all of us, God willing. Thank you very much.